If you're watching this video, you probably have one of these lightweight KIMO weed eaters, and the housing to hold the string has broken off. And they are on back order forever, it seems. KIMO does not return emails, can't tell you when you're ever going to get a housing again. So what do you do without being able to throw this thing away? Well, there's a solution, but it's not an easy one. Hang on while I show you what it takes. Well, welcome to my workbench. Here's what you're going to need to be able to replace this thing and make it usable again. You're going to need to go to Lowe's, Menards, or Amazon, or somewhere on the web and get one of these Grass Gator light duty replacement trimmer heads. Now, this repair or replacement is not for the faint of heart. You're going to need a few other tools. You're going to need a fairly long bolt. You're going to need a couple of nails, fairly short ones, and you're going to need some epoxy. Now, unfortunately, I am a bad YouTuber and I've already sealed this thing on here, but the unit, the Grass Gator, comes with this little adapter that you're going to fit over top. But what I've hidden is that post that's underneath there that normally is the receptacle for the spool cover. Now, what you're going to be doing is placing this bolt into that hole. Now, it's going to want to move around on you, and that's the reason for these nails. You're going to need to take a pair of pliers. Do this very carefully. I'm not responsible if you hurt yourself. Once this bolt is sitting inside the hole, what you do is heat up these nails with a lighter or something and pliers, and you're going to force it through the plastic housing so that it's right putting pressure, on either side of the screw. Let me pause and I'll show you how you do. I'm back. So imagine, you will, if we're looking down on the post and you've got the bolt sticking up through it, you're going to go through the plastic housing, heating up those nails so that they literally are pushing downward on the bolt. Then you remove them, put lots of epoxy in there, and also go ahead and put the nails back through those holes you've created, creating a mechanical bond to it. What's going to happen then is inside this housing you have this bolt being held in place both by epoxy and by the nails holding it in place. Then I went ahead and epoxied the cover that comes with the Grass Gator down onto this. Then it's a simple solution to basically screw the head onto this, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. So there you have it. It is a heavy-duty replacement. Those little plastic tines are also replaceable, so if they break, you can replace those. So you actually have a KIMO weed eater that works again. As I said, this is not for the light of heart. You're going to want to be using epoxy. You're going to be wanting to use the nails and the post and make it as secure as possible. But for $10, you can at least get your KIMO weed whacker up and running again. Hope you've enjoyed this post. If you like it, smash the like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.